Now as you have seen these tubes, let's have a closer view of these and how to insert the spools in the screw holes and how to insert these tubes in the extruder blocks. Now after the blocks and the tubes, we insert these tubes into these blocks. Right? Please be very careful while inserting these tubes. Right? So because the left tube should be inserted in the left part and the right tube should be inserted in the right part. Right? In these holes, as you can see at the top of this block, there is a green part and there are the holes where these tubes are inserted. Now while inserting, one thing that you have to keep in mind is this, that when you insert this tube inside this, you have to touch the tube here. Here is a motor right away. So these tubes should touch the motor. Right? And these tubes are used to carry the filament to the extruders and used for the printing. Now let's have the closer view of one of the extruder block by which we can learn how to insert these tubes into the extruder blocks. Right? So this is the tube which is to be inserted in this extruder block. Now it is inserted from here. And one thing that you have to keep in mind is that this tube should reach the hair. Right? You can see the hair is a machine, that is a motor. So when we press this tube from the from upward direction, it will go inside, and right now you can see that this tube has reached here up to the motor. After the insertion of the tubes into the extruder blocks, let us learn the way how to insert the spool of the materials into these screws. Right. Now the spools of the materials are inserted into these screws using these holes. We use two holes of this kind in inserting one spool into this screw. First of all, we insert this hole into the screw in this manner. Right. After inserting the holes into the screw, the next step is to insert the spool of the material into this screw. This is the spool of the material that we are going to print. Now, before inserting this spool into the screw, please be very careful and please make a note of this sticker here. Right? We have to insert the spool in the manner that the direction of the wire of this material should be upwards in this way, right? Like this manner, by which the direction is this. Alright, now after inserting this spool into the screw, the next step is to again insert the hole into the screw. It is the similar hole that we have inserted earlier. Now this hole is inserted in the screw in this direction. Now after inserting this hole into this screw, the next step is to fasten this holes and the spool by using a nut. This is the nut that we are going to use to fasten the holes and the spool of the material. In this manner, the spool is inserted into the screw, and in the similar manner the other spool, right, this is the main material that we are going to print, and apart from this we have one more spool which is of the sport material. This is the spool of the support material. Now this support material is inserted into the other screw which is present at the back of the machine, right, like you can see as well. In the similar fashion, we are inserting the holes into the screw, and after inserting the holes into the screw, we are inserting the spool of the support material into the screw. And again, the thing that you have to keep in mind is the direction of the wire of the spool, right? It should be again in the upward direction, and it should be in the clockwise direction. This way. And again, at the last, one more hole is inserted into the screw. And after inserting this hole, these spools and the holes are tightened using this nut. So here we are done with the insertion of the spools into the screws.